Hello guys, welcome back to enough the inspo. For today's video, here are going to show you how to fix custom CSS error in Shopify. So if you're interested, let's get started. Now in this case, if you're getting this error here and you're not sure why this is happening, well in this case, you may have changed or actually changed a few things here. So what we need to do is you want to go ahead and open up online store here, and you want to go and click on the edit store option or customize button here, and just wait for it to load up. Now, usually in this section, you want to go to the left side here. If I'm not mistaken, you go to team settings here, and you could go to the very bottom here, and you have custom CSS. Now, from here, you have the option to customize your CSS. So if you are not using custom CSS here, and you saw something in here, you could just delete that. And same thing for different elements here. So if you're not aware yet, if you go to image banner here, go to the right side, you also have a custom CSS here. So you may want to look at every element that you have right now here or sections and just delete any custom CSS that you may not be using. But just to give you some idea here, if you are using some CSS into your Shopify store, there's a specific format for it. Just remember this format. So we have our selector, which in this case is going to be the element, either the in this case the type of, like for example, H2, H1, or the body here. If you want to customize the color for it, you want to make sure that you have the correct selector here. Now also you have the declarations here, so make sure that you're specifying what type of property you want to change and the value for it. And whenever you add a property and value on it, you make sure that you have the separator on it. So it means that the declaration has ended and another declaration is going to be the another declaration. It will be specified in here as well. Now also make sure to not forget to include the brackets for it. So just video, this is what it's going to look like. So make sure your syntax is actually correct for any CSS that you may be adding. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to enough the inspo. Thank you for watching.